Here I have Google Pixel 7 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in slow motion on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the video mode, switch to the slow motion, and so now we can record video in slow motion. I'm gonna record this flower spinning, so let's get it. Okay, and now let's check it out. So as you can see, flower spins a bit slower, not like in your favorite Hollywood action movies, I guess, but it's still some kind of a slow-mo, I guess. So yeah, that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.